Hello everyone, my name is Vineet. I'm working as a lean agile product coach. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about value proposition design. Let's try to understand what is value proposition design. Typically, when the product team is developing any product or they are designing a solution, the focus is more towards the solution part. On the other hand, customers care about their goals which they are trying to achieve, right? So if you look at this particular picture, when the customers are trying to buy a quarter-inch drill, the objective is to get the hole done, right? Whether it's on their wall or it's on the wood, right? So that is what matters to the customer. Right? So if you have to fall in love, you should fall in love with your customers rather than falling in love with your products. And that's the concept of design thinking and jobs to be done, which is heavily used in value proposition design. So to understand value proposition design, this is a value proposition canvas from Strategizer, which I've used. And it has two dimensions. One is the customer profile, which you can see on the right-hand side. And then there is a corresponding value map on the left-hand side. We'll discuss these two in detail. So customer profile has three different aspects. The first one is the jobs which the customers are trying to do. Jobs could be functional jobs which are mandatory for the customer, the goals, their unmet demands which they are trying to meet through any product or services. Jobs could be emotional jobs, like people want to get secure, people want to feel safe in COVID era. And job could be around social needs, like how good or comfortable they feel with their friend circle when they are using a product or when they want to display what they're using it. Second aspect is the gains. What gains the end customers are looking for when they're trying to achieve a goal or when they're trying to use a product or a service. What positive net end results they're trying to achieve. Then the third aspect is the pain. What pains they are seeking currently, which is either stopping them to use this product or which is not encouraging them to try a new product, right? And this is something which is uh, uh, an obstacle for the adoption of a product. So this is how we create a customer profile. It is pretty much similar to empathy map, which the designers use heavily during the discovery phase. Now, once the customer profile has been defined and based on a particular customer segment, the next step is to come up with a value map. And the value map has three different dimensions as well. So what product and services uh, the product team wants to provide or wants to develop, which will help the customers to meet their jobs. The second one is what pain relievers they are introducing in the products, which will help the customers to minimize the pain or eliminate some of the key pains. And the third one is what gains gain creators has been incorporated in the product or service, which will help the customers to realize positive outcomes when they use the product. So this is how a typical value proposition canvas works. Let's go through a quick example here. The case study is around a job portal where the team is struggling with the engagement of the end customers. Like the engagement is very low, and the objective is to become the best job portal in the region by increasing engagement of job seekers. So what do the product team does? They again create this value proposition canvas, and they start with the customer profile. So some of the jobs when they did some research along with the research team, what the customer wants, they want to stay relevant in the industry, and this is a functional job they mentioned. Some of one of the social job, they want to feel good among friend circle because they have a high status job and they want to feel good. This is something they want to achieve. Connect with influencers. They want to maximize their reach and they want to connect with influencers as well. Find a better job. Again, a functional need. I want a better job, and that's why I'm using a job portal. Connect with recruiters. This is again kind of a functional job because you want to connect with recruiters who can find you a better job. What are some of the pains? Threat of getting laid off, especially in this COVID era where the jobs are less, IT spending is getting reduced day by day. Threat of getting irrelevant if you're not upgrading yourself. The work is getting monotonous, daily routine work which people are not liking, not getting enough call from recruiters. That's one of the pains. And job offers not relevant to the profile. Multiple CV formats. When you are uploading your CV to multiple openings, you need to have multiple CV formats. That's one of the pains. What are some, they're not happy with the current job, obviously. It is pretty much related to the monotonous nature of work. Some of the gains which they're expecting is better career opportunities. It could be offshore as well as onshore opportunities, relevant job openings, like the hit ratio, how many jobs they have, which they have been, the alerts came for, and how many jobs have been relevant. They want a better hit ratio. Shorten time, lead time to job. Obviously, when you apply for a job, the job seeker is expecting uh, shorten lead time, where at least they can get the end result pretty quickly. Better social status. Once they achieve a job, they are also looking for a better social status. So these are some of the gains which they're expecting. Now, based on this research, the customer profile uh, and the target market segment is a job seeker. The product team comes up with product or services. So here they came up with a hypothesis that a new online platform, which will connect job seekers with recruiter and influencers, that would help us to become a best job portal in the region, and that would also increase the engagement of the job seekers. So what do they do? For pain relievers, they want to introduce a feature where a frequent profile match can be used, some new algorithm they want to use. One-click CV upload, that would reduce the pain of using multiple CV format. Connect with domain experts or influencers. Follow industry leader activities in the job portal. What can be some of the gain creators? Premium surveys for active job seekers so that they can get relevant alerts. Overseas job opportunities so that people can get opportunities across the globe. SMS alerts. Ability to write blogs and post. This is an over and above, nice to have gain, which the customers are expecting, and the team wants to provide this kind of a feature. So once the customer profile and value map is created, the next step is all the team and the stakeholders, they do the fitment in terms of what gain creators are solving the problems of the customer, what pain relievers are minimizing the pain, and is the product and service helping the customer to meet their goals or meet the jobs to be done. So based on the fitment, the product team comes to a stage where they can feel, or the stakeholders feel that they have reached a problem solution fitment, which is the outcome of using this value proposition canvas. I hope you have liked this video and you have understood the concept of value proposition design, how to use value proposition canvas to maximize the learnings about the customer profile and the offerings which the product team is providing in terms of value proposition. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned. Thank you.